How can we warp text in Google Spreadsheet? So if your text is really long and cannot fit into a cell, by default, it will be set up into overflow mode. Means if there's a free cell next to it, the text will continue, like in this cell here. Actually, there's nothing in it. So the text from column B continue on, kind of overflow, but there is text in this column D. So this text is kind of cut off. So how can we change those text warping options? So select the cell with the text, actual text. You can see it here in the formula bar, this whole text. And now we can change this overflow to, for example, warp. So the text will go to the new line. After the line is ended, by the width of the column, the text will be pushed down, pushed down, pushed down. Of course, if you make the column wider, it will automatically readjust. The third option is to simply clip the text. So whatever is popping out will be clipped and we cannot really see it. There's also a manual method when we can put an actual enter, push the text in the new line here by pressing Alt enter or Command enter, and this way we got 2 or even 3, 4 lines of the text in one cell. So the basic option is way over here. We got our horizontal alignment, vertical alignment, and the third option on this list is warping. If you want your text to warp down and create additional lines automatically, there's option for that. It's called text warp. Keep in mind, you can readjust the width of the column to make it a bit shorter, not too long. All right. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.